Hello student, today we will learn chapter 4 from language study affix. This affix we have learned in 4th, 5th standard also. So affix are prefix or suffix. Prefix is a syllable or part of a word or a word itself that is placed before a word to form another word. So when a part of a word is added before a word, it is called prefix. When a word is prefixed, the word class does not generally change. Antivirus, relocate, decode, irregular, unfair, happy, unhappy. So whatever word we add before the given word is called what? A prefix. Here some examples are given. Virus, antivirus. Locate, relocate. Code, decode. Regular, irregular. Fair, unfair. So in this ये जो प्रीफिक्स है इसमें क्या है, वर्ड दिया रहता है और उसी का ही वो क्या बनाता है, अपोजिट वन बनाता है. उस वो वर्ड के आगे जब हम कोई यू एन ए आई ए एन डी आई एस आई एम ऐसे जब वर्ड हम लोग ऐड करते तो क्या होता है, उधर अपोजिट वर्ड बनता है. Then is a suffix. What is a suffix? A suffix is a syllable or part of word or a word itself that is placed at the end of the word to form another word. Now in suffix what happen? A word is given. So a word itself that is placed at the end of the word to form another word. So when we write some other word joined to that given word, that is called what? Suffix. In case of suffixing the word class may change entirely. For example, color. Now to this color we have added less. It has become colorless. Rare. Here we have added il. No. Sorry, rare, ly we have added, so this word has become rarely. Composition, composite, composition, tion, this word we have added, so it has become composition. Bright, to this word we have added NESS, so this word has formed brightness. Develop, to this word we have added MENT, ment, development. So this all such type of word when we make, this is called what? Suffix. So here is some exercise. Use the suffix ly to make other word from the following. Subsequent, to this when we will add ly, it will become subsequently. Frequent, to this frequent when we will add ly, the word will become frequently. Wise, to this word ly when we will add, it will become wisely. Immense, to this immense when we add ly, it will become immensely. And to this beautiful word when we add ly, this word will become beautifully. So in such way we can form another word from this suffix by adding ly. Next is find two example each of the word made by using the following suffix. Now here NESS, correctness, or brightness, thickness. Such words you can write. Then ER. ER is what? Drive, driver. Ride, rider. Let, out. When we will add to this out, LET, it will become outlet. Book, booklet. Next is FUL, full, colorful, thankful, joyful, sorrowful. Then TION, tension. Tension will come. Then will come completion. Then poison will come. Poisoning. Then Y, windy, cloudy. Such words you can add. Add proper prefix to the following word to make new words. Now prefix here we have to add. So the word we have to add before this word, given word. Kind, unkind. Intelligent, intelligent. Here TION, tradition, invention. Such words also you can write here. Now unkind, intelligent, unintelligent, advantage, disadvantage, happy, unhappy, allow, disallow, safe, unsafe. Write 5 words each with this suffix. Now 5 words each we have to write using this word. So you can write on your own: colorless, unless, helpless. Such words you can write. Clearly, doubtful, clearly. Then silently, NESS, correctness, happiness, sadness. Such words you can form here. With the prefix, now prefix is given, you have to write the words here by using this prefix. Happy, unhappy, unbelievable, then unkind, then incomplete, injustice. Supply suitable prefix to form another word. Now proper is given, so prefix we have to add the word before this given word. Proper, improper, improper. Advantage, disadvantage. Then is similar, unsimilar. Sufficient, insufficient. Popular, unpopular. Successful, unsuccessful. Conspicuous, unconspicuous. Noble, impatient, patient, impatient. Interesting, uninteresting. Fixed, active, inactive. Visible, invisible. Important, beatable, skilled, unkind, tidy, untidy. Likely, unlikely. Regular, irregular. Next is add a suffix to the following words. and rewrite the newly formed word. Now suffix, we have to add a suffix to the following word. So suffix means after the word, after this given word we have to write it. Stupid, health, home, usual, discuss, discussion, glory, glorious, match, matchless, usual, usually, home, homely, stupid, stupidity, then power, powerful, thought, thoughtful, regular, regularly, popular, popularly, care, carefully, fair, fairy, fear, fearly, derive, worth, worthless, final, finally, deep, deeply, volcano, volcanic, firm, firmness, or firmly, actual, actually, real, really. So this is the homework. The definition along with the example you have to write in your book and complete your exercise in your English grammar book. This much for the day. Have a good day.